Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Today we're hunting Easter eggs. Whoa, check it out. It's a silver horsepower. An El Toro Loco. Wow, look at that egg. Whoa, check this one out. Whoa, look at this giant pink egg. Wow, look at that yellow one. Whoa, it's a pretty purple egg. Wow, look at this huge green egg. Wow, look at the orange egg. Whoa, that's a really cool golden egg. Wow, look at this green egg. Look at all the eggs we found. Whoa, check it out. What's this one? It's Earthshaker. Wow. Who's this? What? Oh my goodness, it's Sparkle Smash. Check that out. We got Sparkle Smash in one of the eggs. Let's open a big egg. What do you think's inside? Whoa, who's that? It's Salvager. Whoa, that's so cool. Whoa, what do you think's in this pink one? It's Northern Nightmare. Check that out. What about in this giant green one? Who do you think's inside? Oh, who's that? Whoa, it's Boogie Van. That's so cool. Wow. Let's open another big one. Oh, this one's tight. Oh, whoa, who's that? It's Bowser. Check that out. That's so cool. Whoa, it's Batman. Guys, we found Batman. That's so cool. Who do you think's in this big one? It's Bone Shaker. You see that? Look at that. It's Bone Shaker. Look at that big engine. Let's move some of these around a little bit. Whoa, who's that? Huh. Oh, it's Hooligan. Wow, that's so cool. Check it out, it's El Toro Loco. Let's see what's inside this big green one. What do you think it is? Who is that? It's Donkey Kong. Check that out. Whoa, that's so cool. It's Donkey Kong. Oops. Who do you think this is? It's Dragonoid. Check that out. It's a cool red Dragonoid. Whoa, what do you think's inside this one? Who's that? Oh, that's Ivy. Let's open a big one. What do you think's inside this big pink one? Whoa, it's Nightmare. Wow, that's so cool. What do you think's inside this yellow one? Who's that? Can you see? Do you know who that is? I think it's Wild Streak. Who do you think's in this purple one? It's Blue Gravedigger. Wow. Let's open another big one. Who do you think's inside this big one? Whoa, check it out, check it out. It's Blue Thunder. Whoa, that's so cool. Who do you think's in the orange one? Oh my goodness, it's a Silver Horsepower. I think we're down to our last egg. I don't think there's any more. Who do you think's in the blue one? Whoa, it's a Silver V8 Bomber. That's so cool. Oh wait, there's one more egg over here. Who do you think's inside? Whoa, it's full charge. Wow, check that out. It's full charge, check that out. How many monster trucks did we find today? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We found 20 monster trucks today. That's a lot of monster trucks. We'll see you next time, friends.